Smartphone application required OBD home, car diagnostics OBD reader. Let's show you what you get inside the box. An instruction guide, which is your user's manual. For 1996 and higher, it tells you how to set up the unit. Open up your smartphone, download the application. You're going to go to your car and find your module plug for the unit. And this will work when plugged in. As simple as connecting the Bluetooth and you're hooked up as so. Your OBD module plug in. You have a light. You're going to follow the instructions that the unit tells you. Press on it. Linking up. Takes about a couple of seconds. Now, in order for the unit to work, you need to turn your car into the on position. Reconnect. Follow the procedures. Once the car is on and it connects, you're succeeded. It tells you information provided. As you scroll down, you can see your dashboard, the route, record, and performance. If you need to diagnose, you hit the diagnose button. You have a freeze frame, a monitor test, an MIL status, oxygen sensors, mode 6, vehicle information. You could do a full scanning and hit scan. It tells you everything about the vehicle, as you can see, as we scroll down. When all done, it tells you that your vehicle and the information provided of your diagnostics. You can back up. You could do a monitor test. And you can see what is passed and not passed for inspection. You have a fault code detection. A fault code query. So if we have a code in here that we're looking for, P01234, and it gives you the information provided. So you could put the code in and check codes out if you're looking for specific codes. You have many other things in here to go over. These are some of the basic and simple descriptions of the product. You want to set up for a language, search engines, and more, and set to the default. You can do so. OBD Home, application, smartphone usable, and the product, it fits into your OBD module, small and compact for any cars, 1996 and above. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for in your automobile needs.